Here's an easy way to make delicious pita breads. Start by placing 1 deciliter of warm water in a bowl. Add half a teaspoon of sugar and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Add half a pack of dry yeast and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Let the mixture sit for a few minutes, then mix in 2 deciliters of flour. Add some more flour until your dough is easy enough to knead. An additional splash of oil can help here too. Cover with a towel and let rise in a warm place until doubled. This might take roughly an hour. Take a sheet of baking paper and add some flour to it. Drop the dough on top of it and sprinkle with some flour. Form the dough into 2 round breads. Heat the oven to 250 degrees Celsius while a cooking tray is inside. Cover the dough with a towel while the oven is heating up. When it's hot, take the tray out and place the baking paper with the pitas on top. Push them in the oven and let cook for roughly 4 minutes. The pita bread should puff up nicely. Let them cool under a towel. Cut them open with a knife and insert the fillings of your choice. I especially like to use hummus, tomatoes, olives and some variety of meat that I happen to have handy. Enjoy.